In this video, I'll quickly show you how to post in a WordPress blog. WordPress is one of the easiest platforms to share your ideas online, and within a few minutes, you can have your content live. Start by logging into your WordPress admin panel, usually by adding /wp admin to your domain. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Posts. This is where you'll see all your existing blog posts and drafts. To create something new, just click Add New. The WordPress editor will open, and here's where the fun begins. You can add a title, write your content in paragraphs, and use blocks for images, videos, or anything else to make your post engaging. When you're happy with how it looks, head to the top right corner and hit Publish. Just like that, your blog post is live and ready for the world to read. And that's how you post in WordPress. Simple, quick, and beginner friendly. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep creating amazing content.